Welcome to the channel. We're so excited to have you here today. Today, we're diving into the awesome world of cats. Cats are fascinating creatures with a rich history and a variety of unique traits that make them stand out in the animal kingdom. We're gonna uncover 10 super cool things cats can do that dogs just can't. From their incredible agility to their mysterious behaviors, there's so much to explore. From the busy streets of New York City to the wide-open plains of Africa, cats live everywhere. These adaptable creatures have found a way to thrive in almost every environment on Earth. They're super adaptable thanks to their awesome bodies and sharp senses. Their keen eyesight, acute hearing, and powerful sense of smell make them excellent hunters and survivors. Get ready to see some amazing purrs, incredible jumps, and feats of agility that will leave you in awe. Cats are not just pets. They're little athletes with a lot of surprises up their sleeves, and all the secrets hidden inside these sleek little creatures. From their grooming habits to their playful antics, there's always something new to learn about our feline friends. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey into the world of cats together. A cat's purr is like a happy song, a soothing melody that can instantly bring a sense of calm and joy to anyone who hears it. It's a sound that cat owners cherish, often associating it with their feline friends' contentment and happiness. But the purr is also a total mystery, a fascinating enigma that has puzzled scientists and cat lovers alike for centuries. Why do cats purr? What purpose does it serve? These questions have led to numerous studies and theories, each trying to unravel the secrets behind this unique feline behavior. Unlike a dog's bark or a bird's chirp, which are easily understood as forms of communication, a cat's purr is more complex. It's not just a simple vocalization. It's a multifaceted sound that can convey a range of emotions and states of being. A purr comes from deep inside a cat's throat, produced by the rapid movement of muscles within the larynx or voice box. These muscles twitch at a rate of 25 to 150 vibrations per second, causing a sudden separation of the vocal cords during both inhalation and exhalation. This intricate process is made possible by special muscles and nerves working together in perfect harmony. The brain sends repetitive neural oscillator signals to the laryngeal muscles, triggering the rapid contractions that create the purring sound. When air goes past these muscles, it causes them to vibrate super fast, producing the characteristic purring sound that we all know and love. This sound is not just a byproduct of breathing, it's a deliberate action that cats can control. These vibrations are incredibly fast, creating a continuous sound that can vary in pitch and volume. Cats can purr loudly or softly, depending on their mood and the situation. It's a versatile tool in their communication arsenal. But purring isn't just about being happy. Cats also purr when they're frightened, in pain, or even when they're close to death. This has led researchers to believe that purring serves multiple functions, beyond just expressing contentment. The way cats purr between 25 and 150 vibrations a second can actually help them heal. It's like a superpower. Studies have shown that these vibrations can promote the healing of bones and tissues, reduce pain and swelling, and even help with breathing. This healing power of purring is truly remarkable. When a cat is injured, it may purr to help itself recover more quickly. The vibrations can stimulate the production of growth factors and reduce inflammation, aiding in the repair of damaged tissues. Purring can help fix their bones and make them feel better. It's like having a built-in healing mechanism that they can activate whenever they need it. This ability to self-heal is one of the many reasons why cats are such resilient creatures. So next time you hear a cat purring, remember it's like their own special healing trick. It's a sound that signifies not just happiness, but also a deep innate ability to take care of themselves. Whether they're purring to express joy, to soothe themselves, or to heal, it's a reminder of the incredible complexity and beauty of these amazing animals. The enigma of the purr continues to captivate us, inviting us to explore and appreciate the many layers of meaning behind this simple yet profound sound. It's a testament to the wonder of nature and the special bond we share with our feline friends. Cats have secret weapons, their claws. Unlike a dog's claws, a cat's claws can pop in and out. They stay hidden inside little pockets of skin so they stay super sharp. But when it's time to hunt or climb, those claws come out fast. Whether they're climbing a tree, chasing a mouse, or fighting another cat, those claws are super important. It's like having hidden knives. Have you ever seen a cat jump? It's amazing! Cats possess an incredible ability to leap with such grace and precision that it often leaves us in awe. Their jumps are not just random acts of agility, but are a result of a finely tuned combination of strength, balance, and instinct. Cats are like little jumping superheroes. They can leap over fences and reach high places with ease. This ability is not just for show, it serves a practical purpose in the wild, allowing them to escape predators and catch prey. Even our domesticated house cats retain this remarkable skill. To jump, a cat gets low to the ground, then pushes off super hard with its back legs. This crouching position allows them to gather the necessary energy and momentum. Their powerful hind legs act like springs, propelling them into the air with incredible force. Their tail helps them stay balanced in the air. As they leap, their tail acts as a counterbalance, allowing them to make mid-air adjustments and land precisely where they intend. This is crucial for their survival, as a miscalculated jump could mean the difference between catching a meal or going hungry. A house cat can jump 6 times its size. Imagine the sheer power and coordination required to achieve such a feat. This is equivalent to a human being able to jump over a 2-story building. It's a testament to the extraordinary physical capabilities of these animals. That's like you jumping over a car. The comparison really puts into perspective just how impressive a cat's jumping ability is. While humans rely on technology and tools to achieve great heights, cats do it naturally with nothing but their own bodies. Whether they're chasing something or just playing, cats are awesome jumpers. Their playful nature often showcases their jumping skills, as they pounce on toys or leap after imaginary prey. It's a joy to watch and a reminder of the wild instincts that still reside in our domesticated feline friends. And let's not forget the landing. Cats have an uncanny ability to land on their feet thanks to their flexible spine and keen sense of balance. This ability, known as the righting reflex, allows them to twist their bodies in midair and ensure a safe landing. It's just another aspect of their incredible agility. After a series of impressive jumps, you'll often see a cat stretch or groom itself. This is their way of relaxing and maintaining their muscles. It's a small but important part of their routine, ensuring they stay in top shape for their next leap of astonishing agility. Ever wonder how cats always land on their feet? It's called the righting reflex, and it's super cool. Cats have special bones and an amazing sense of balance. Their collarbones aren't attached like ours, and their spines are super bendy. When they fall, their ears tell them which way is up, and they twist their bodies around to land on their feet. It's like they have a built-in parachute. When it gets dark, cats can still see. They have way more special cells in their eyes than we do, and a mirror-like layer behind their eyes helps them see even better in the dark. Their pupils can get super big to let in more light, too. So, when we can't see anything, cats are still running around like it's daytime. Cats are super clean. They spend tons of time grooming themselves. Their tongues are covered in tiny little hooks that act like a brush. And their spit has special stuff that breaks down dirt and keeps them smelling fresh. So, next time you see a cat cleaning itself, remember, it's serious business. Cats can squeeze into tiny spaces. It's like they're made of rubber. They don't have collarbones like us, and their spines are super bendy. That, plus their loose skin, helps them fit into any space their head can fit through. Cats walk differently than other animals. They move both legs on one side of their body at the same time. This makes them super quiet and helps them balance. It's like a secret ninja walk. Cats make all sorts of sounds, way more than dogs. They meow, purr, chirp, hiss, and growl. Each sound means something different. They're talking to us and to each other. So listen closely to what your cat is saying. Cats have a special organ that lets them taste the air. It's called the Jacobson's organ, and it helps them smell special scents that we can't. Sometimes you'll see them make a funny face when they're using it. It's like they're trying to figure out what something smells like. Thanks for joining me on this cat adventure. We've learned so much about these amazing creatures. So next time you see a cat, remember all the cool things they can do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun animal facts.